My beautiful Baja Cabbage Salad. It's a copycat from one of my favorite grocery stores in Los Angeles for half the price. It's so good, so perfect. I love it. Hi, I'm Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my version of the Baja Cabbage Salad. I love this salad. I get it at a local grocery store all the time. It's just so expensive. I think I paid $16 for a little container. I'm not even kidding, that big for this darn salad. So I've calculated the cost, and basically to buy all the ingredients you need to make this salad like brand new, it's $16. That means a whole head of cabbage, green onion, cilantro, jalapeno. I've got pumpkin seeds, lemon juice, coconut aminos, rice vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil. Buy it, all the ingredients yourself. It's coming out to about $4 per serving. So you want to check this out. Okay. You want to make sure your cabbage is about room temperature to properly deal with it. There you go, beautiful red cabbage. Now it is ready to be cut up. So what you're going to do is you're just going to shred it with a mandolin. I also find that it's easier to cut the cabbage in half. That way you can work with each side individually. Look at all of this yummy, yummy cabbage goodness. Okay. I love cabbage. Look at the color. It's stunning. But the other thing is it's super high in vitamin C. It's high in vitamin A. It's high in vitamin K. Christine Avanti Kitchen. High in vitamin C, high in vitamin A, high in vitamin K. This was meant to be this recipe anyways. It's also got a good amount of fiber. It's high in antioxidants. So this is a win-win, this food, for sure. And figuring out a way to prepare it and make it so that you can eat it all the time, of course, this is a great way. This salad is so super easy to prepare. Once you've shredded all the cabbage, just move it into your favorite salad bowl. And then you just add the toppings, whisk the vinaigrette, and voila, it is done. I love these 10-minute meals, really, and they're so healthy and good for you. Anyways, so there's your cabbage, looking good. I still have another half, so wow, I might just save this for my crunchy Asian salad. Oh my goodness. It's a lot. It's a lot here. This was a big head of cabbage. Okay, so the Baja Cabbage Salad, everything is prepped. I just need to whisk my vinaigrette. So rice vinegar, love rice vinegar, such a yummy tang. Coconut aminos, lemon juice, and then we're gonna slowly whisk in the olive oil. All right, so story of my life, whisking vinaigrettes. Here we go. I love using coconut aminos instead of soy sauce, but I also love soy sauce and I use it. It's just sometimes I swap it out. Why not, right? And honestly, tamari or reduced sodium soy sauce is also a good alternative. If you think to yourself, why is she always whisking dressings? Well, for whatever reason, when I put them in my blender, they come out like an aioli. So that's just me. Maybe my blender's too powerful. Okay, so the dressing is ready. I'm just gonna taste it. It's so good, so perfect. I love it. It just needs some salt, so I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon. You can put in whatever amount you're comfortable with. I like to use organic sea salt or Himalayan. Add some pepper to this. Knowing me, I'm gonna add some red chili flake to this off camera because I can't do anything without red chili flakes, okay? But here you go. I love putting my dressings in cute little bottles. That's just me. So I'm gonna move it to this bottle. Oops. So the first step is I'm just going to cover this with beautiful dressing. Here we go. You really want it to get into the salad because that is what's going to give it its flavor. And as I'm pouring, I'm thinking, oh my gosh, why didn't I toast some sesame seeds? Well, it is supposed to be more of a Baja California type flavored salad. So anyways, the dressing's on. I'm going to toss it a bit. Oh yeah. This is just my mixing bowl. The fun part is serving it in a beautiful bowl, and people enjoy it. I know my girlfriends will enjoy it. I don't know if my husband's gonna love it as much as I do, but I love it. It's a great, healthy salad, snack, afternoon snack. Why not? Load yourself up with some vitamin C, some vitamin A, some vitamin K. All these ingredients are just amazing. Look at the jalapeno peppers. Come on, who doesn't love jalapenos? And then I've got pumpkin seeds and scallions. It just all makes for a very delicious snack. Okay. Next, I'm just gonna simply add my scallions. Gonna add the jalapeno. I've diced it up really small. You could add more or less, whatever you like. I find that this gives it a nice tang. And then some cilantro, because goodness knows it is so delicious. I love it. I'm gonna add the pumpkin seeds at the end. So I'm gonna give it a nice toss. I went a little heavy on the dressing because the way I get this when I go to one of my favorite stores in LA, this is how they have it. They have a good amount of dressing on it. It's so delicious. And these are all good fats in this dressing, so I'm not gonna worry about it. And I always say on my YouTube channel, listen, this channel is for people who've lost weight and want to maintain it. These are the foods I have been eating for years. And back in, what was it, 2000, I don't know, a long time ago, I lost about 35 pounds and I've kept it off. For actually up until now, I've kept it off. So these are the foods I eat that keep me fit, lean, happy, healthy. So here we go. I'm gonna move it into my serving bowl. Such an easy salad to prepare. Like if you're going to a friend's house for dinner, you can bring this. So fast and easy and so healthy and so pretty. It presents so well. Who doesn't love a beautiful purple bowl of food? My goodness. And there you have it, my beautiful Baja Cabbage Salad. Now I'm gonna finish up adding my fixings, just a little bit more cilantro. So yummy. And some beautiful scallions. So good, so delicious. This recipe is so versatile if you want to add more scallions or less, or whatever ingredients you want. And then I'm just gonna top it off with a few pumpkin seeds. Okay, here you go, my beautiful Baja Cabbage Salad. It's a copycat from one of my favorite grocery stores in Los Angeles for half the price. Actually, less than half the price. I hope you make it, I hope you try it out. Make sure you like, save, share, comment, and remember, you are deeply loved by God. Thanks for watching.